I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kronos Y1. First, ensure your device is completely powered off. Next, gather all essential cables, including the power adapter and a high-quality USB cable, ideally 1.8 meters in length. Place your Kronos Y1 on a stable, flat surface, ensuring there is ample space for proper ventilation around the unit. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, let's make the physical connections. First, plug the power adapter into the Kronos Y1 and then into a reliable power source. Next, take your USB Type-B cable and connect it from the Kronos Y1's USB port directly to an available USB Type-A port on your computer. For audio, use two 1/4-inch TRS cables to connect the main left and right outputs of your Kronos Y1 to your audio interface or mixer, ensuring a clear signal path. With the physical connections complete, it's time for software setup. Begin by downloading and installing the most current Kronos Y1 drivers from the manufacturer's official website. Once installed, open your preferred digital audio workstation, or DAW, and access its audio and MIDI settings. Here, you will select Kronos Y1 as both your primary MIDI input and audio output device, ensuring seamless communication between your hardware and software. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and best practices. If you encounter any connection issues, first, meticulously check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure and undamaged. Always keep your computer's operating system and Kronos Y1 drivers updated to their latest versions. A simple restart of both your Kronos Y1 and your computer can often resolve minor communication glitches, ensuring a smooth and reliable performance for your music production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.